What's up, guys? It's Eric and Jordan. Today on our workshop, we're going to talk about important aspects of demystifying radio flashing on Harley-Davidson motorcycles. The first thing is we need to get a flat signal. Every installer knows that. So what is it with Harley-Davidson that's a problem that we need to get rid of?
So the factory head unit has an EQ that is set to boost in certain areas to help on the OEM side. With our aftermarket systems, you're going to create excessive distortion when you try and use that factory tune.
So we need to flash that, get rid of that factory EQ so that we can add an aftermarket system. Got it. Okay, so how do we fix this? How do we fix the EQ on the bike?
So you got to access the CAN bus system. To access that, you just have to remove the saddlebag and the side cover, and you'll find the diagnostic port right down here.
Great. So we plug in system into the CAN bus, and then it allows us to flash it. All right. All right, great. Now that we know how to access the CAN bus, what do we need to connect to it so that we can get rid of that EQ?
So what I have here is a TR4 flashing device from Techno Research. It comes with various plugs depending on what bike you're plugging into. On this one, we're using the 6-pin connector.
Remove the cover from the motorcycle to access the CAN bus. Plug the Techno Research flasher into the CAN bus port. Plug the USB into the Techno Research flasher. Plug the other end into the computer. Turn the motorcycle on accessory mode. Fire up the Techno Research software. Select the Centurion Audio diagnostic menu. When prompted, accept the terms and choose your language. On the radio speaker configuration, select Rockford, then select Rockford Fosgate Recommended Tune 2014 and newer, all models. Click Start to begin. The prompt will show the flash was successful. Be sure to restart the motorcycle for the settings to take effect. All right, now that we connected the computer and flashed the motorcycle, is there anything else?
Nope, it's that simple. You plug it in, you flash it, it is now complete.
All right, on screen, you're seeing the difference before and after the radio flash. Now that we flattened out that signal, we can add our aftermarket audio system. All right, so we connected the computer and flashed the radio. Now we've got our audio system installed. What does the customer need to do to get the best performance out of the motorcycle?
So I got two things. The automatic volume control, the AVC in the settings, make sure that that is turned off. That can produce additional distortion and does not help you at all when you're at higher speeds. Also, the volume control on the radio itself, keep that 3 bubbles from the top. That can produce additional distortion as well in that range without any additional volume.
Great, so we get all performance, no distortion. Sounds like a winning combination. All right, and specific for installers, you want to make sure to keep up to date with your Techno Research firmware. Every year, Techno Research releases new updates for the newest models of motorcycles on the market. There you have it, Eric and Jordan from Rockford Fosgate. We hope you learned something on today's workshop. And like with any installation, the best tools in your toolbox make audio installation great. And that's no exception with motorcycle audio. For more information, look at our website at rockfordfosgate.com.